Thank you so much. Overall, my impression for this show is excellent just because of the number of the students we've got today are so many, and most of the students were more interested towards UK because UK has recently opened the borders, and still USA have got a good numbers. We got good number of students for USA and Australia as well, and we are producing more numbers, we are producing more courses, we are producing large number of counselors today to just cover all of the students and visitors we are having today. Our show is more successful today, even we were expecting the same, but the thing is that we have got even still large numbers, and we are still hoping that more students are coming, and we are still waiting for them. Our counselors are still available. We are just working until 6 o'clock. If we say that the management system we have established for this show is has shown so many positive things. Even we've got so many people, even they were just participating for nothing, even we were not paying them, and even they were just coming for the as a volunteers. But I think that is our best achievement that we have got today. We are hoping to have more enrollments for coming intake, which is January for UK and USA, and Australia will be for February maybe, but we are just not sure just because of the borders are still closed, and we are hoping the borders will be open by end of February or March. But we are focusing to have more numbers for Australia. But if I say that Australians have already announced that they are going to open the borders by the mid of November, but they are for citizens. But I'm talking about students. Students will be start going to Australia by end of February or the first week of March, just because of to cover the March and February intake. But that is 80%, and 100% I would say is that by end of May, most of the students will be traveling to Australia. So I think overall our show is successful. I'm more than happy for that, and thank you for everyone. Thank you for volunteers, thank you for our staff, thank you for management, thank you for our MD, thank you for our operation managers, thank you for our counselors. They have done their best job, and thank you for everyone.